friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Mahita Smart Education. Today in this video I am going to review the book Signals and System by Anandh Kumar, and this is one of the best book for signals and systems. And let's see this book, Signals and Systems, and you can see the content. And the first chapter is signals, and the second chapter is systems, third chapter signals analysis, and fourth chapter is Fourier series, and fifth chapter Fourier transform, and sixth chapter is signal transmission through linear systems, and seventh chapter is convolution and correlation of signals. And you can see here 8th chapter is sampling, and 9th chapter is Laplace transform, and 10th chapter is jet transform, and 11th chapter is system realization, and 12th chapter is discrete time Fourier transform. And these are the contents of this book, and this is one of the best book for signals and systems. And you can see here the preface, and some symbols, notations and abbreviations are given. And in the first chapter they have given the introduction and definitions of the systems, and even the matters with many examples also they have given. See, and this book is full of examples and solutions, and this is one of the best book for signals and systems. And I strongly suggest that this is the best book for signals and systems. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and do like, share and comment below for more interesting videos like this. Okay, if you want to buy this book, then I will give link of this book in the description box. Then